Hey guys, it's Alex Shortcut. Hey guys, it's Alex from GCB Studios 2, and I am gonna be. Hang on, let me grab this. God, I hate my tire. Well, first of all, you can sit up here, kitty. or you can just go back down. My kitty, or one of my kitties. Yeah. Okay. Fidget spinner giveaway. Now, just to be clear, this is not a brand new fidget spinner that is super awesome and stuff. I bought it brand new, and then I changed parts and stuff, so it's not like brand new, but it actually is a really good. No, kitty. Guess I'll do this like this. Okay. Can you move, Ziggy? Okay. Oh my god, this sucks. This is so tiny. Okay, I'm just gonna sit sideways for now. Well, it's actually a really good fidget spinner. I'm gonna be giving it away. It's got blue caps, black bearings, it's green. I don't know how long it spins exactly. And don't worry, it will not come like this if you win it. It'll be in here. I'll go get the box real quick. Don't tell anyone. I don't know why I said that. That was actually creepy and weird. Just need to get up on my bed. Okay, first of all, why does Louis put my bed? Why does she like that? She has Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and Pinterest. Yeah, well, I don't care about it, so I'm not following that. Trump does too. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. I gotta sit back down. I'm also gonna try something. Well, I'm recording on my laptop. I'm gonna spit. Oh, by the way, it'll come in this box, like if you were to buy it. It's gonna come in this little thing. And then it's going to be inside of this box. It's a solid flip spinner. Okay, I'm going to see what it sounds like when I spin it on top of my laptop. That's weird. Alright, this is one of my many fidget spinners. Once again, this is not brand new. It is used. To win it, you have to like this video, subscribe. Like, subscribe, and comment, I want the spinner, or fidget spinner. Just comment fidget spinner, okay? That works. I'm gonna put it in the box, okay? Putting it in the box. Just gonna put it in there. There. Now it's in the box. You want this fidget spinner? Like, subscribe, and comment fidget spinner. Okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!